Hello viewers, this video is about how to create contact us page in Blogger. So let's go to the tutorial. At first I will open my Chrome browser and I am in my Chrome browser. So at first I will show you my website. Here's a demo website. I have created this website for this tutorial, and now I will show you how to create a contact us page in Blogger. I have already created this page. Okay, I will delete this page now and create a new page. Okay, I will create a new page. I can rename this page as a test contact us. Okay, test contact us page, and click on the publish button, and I have already created a contact us page. Okay. If I go to this page, I will not see any contact form. This is a normal blank page. Okay, I have to create a contact form. So at first I will go to my Gmail account, and from this dotted icon Google Apps, I will open and Google Drive, and then click on the Google Forms blank form. Okay, I will check my main website, which is smartuber16.com. I will follow this website. It's my website, and I will go to my contact us page. What types of option I have to include in my page, I can get an idea. Okay, at first I will rename the untitled form as contact us, then okay, same contact us. Form description, please write your full name, email address and message. Okay, now I will just copy and paste this text in my full description and full name. Okay, I will create an option, net question. I will add first it is full name. Okay, I will create full name, and it will be short answer, and I will create turn on the required option. So if anyone blank this page, he will not submit this form. Okay, and now I will create another question, which is email address. This is mandatory because I will collect the lead for my future, and enter the email address, and it will be same as short answer, and click on the required option. And second, then website URL, I will add another question, which is website URL. So I will just copy this title and paste it. Short answer, it is not mandatory, and I don't record any user website. And at last I need is message. That means actually he wants to know from me, so I will add message option and click on the required option. This will be long answer, yes, and okay. Now my contact form has created, and I will just publish it. Okay, presentation default, presentation confirm your response has been recorded. You can edit this, you can type. Okay, that's it. When someone has finished the form and submit the form, then this confirmation message will appear. Okay, I have already created this form. Okay, now it's important that now if anyone submit this form, you will not get the response in your email inbox. Otherwise, if you do not turn on this get email notifications for new responses, just click on the email notifications, turn on the email notifications enable option. If you don't do this, you will have to go to your my drive, then go to your Google form, and then you need to find out the responses. And if you just turn on this option, email, when someone will fill up your form, you will get immediately notified, and these responses so will go to your Gmail inbox. Okay, now we will set up this contact form in our Blogger page. So how can set up this? I will copy this HTML tag or code, and I will go to my contact us page and click on the contact us page, and it is now in a compose view mode. I will select the HTML view, and then Ctrl+A, select all, and just click on the keyboard Ctrl+V button and click on the update option. Okay, now I will go back to my dashboard. If I refresh here, I will not see my contact form because I have not added any navigation bar or footer in my website. So I will go to my dashboard, and if I go to my contact form, open link in new tab, I will see my contact us page. Yes, you are seeing that this is a contact us page. Okay, I will test does it really work. Okay, as for an example, I will type my all. Okay, and I will type any demo text, etc. Maybe this here I have to clear this option. I don't need this. Okay, and if I just click on the submit button, my responses has been recorded. Thanks for contacting with me. I will reply to you ASAP. Okay, now I'll go to my Gmail inbox. and okay, wait for sometimes it takes some moments come into my inbox. Yes, your for contact us has new responses, and if I click on the view summary option, I will see the record responses, that means full name, my email id, my website url, and my message when some visitor or when your visitor or readers will complete and submit this form. You can see his or her full details through this contact form. So it is a tutorial about how to create contact us page in Blogger.